Welcome to My Project Ideas. This is an ongoing series on DocuSign, and in this video, we'll learn how to create a template and send that template in form of email to other person. So we'll start with creation of a free account. So we'll have to create an account on this portal. We'll add this link in the description. So now we need to click try for free, and we need an email ID, right? So I will be using my email ID like this. Copy and paste here. I will agree. We'll get started. My name is Rudra Mani Pandey, and I will not give a number to the. Fine. So I will receive an email, and I believe that's it. So once I will click on activation, my account will be created. Okay, I will create something. And I believe we are done with the sign up process. Great. So I will jump to the template. Perfect. So you are on the dashboard and you can drop a document here. So we have created dummy document, dummy agreement. Just drag and drop here. Certainly you will be planning to send some document to a particular employee or client and you want it to be signed, right? So you have already created the document and you have some places where you want signature, some places where you want name, some places where you want date. All these things you can maintain. And once you're done, you can add the email IDs here. So in case you are the only signer, then you can click on this one. Otherwise, you can add like I want Rudra 2 to sign it, and the email ID is at gmail.com. Okay, you can add more guys. You can click here, and again you can add more guys. And I can say hi. Here you can create some tags that you can use so that the name can be replaced with the username. But certainly we know that we are sending it to one particular guy. Please sign it and send back to us. Actually, this is not required. Reason being, once the user will sign it, it will be automatically sent back to us. We click next. Perfect. Suppose I am sending only to one guy, so this is the only part where I want a signature to have. I click on signature and drop here. I can resize it like this. Then I want name and I want date. So like this, you have a lot of fields here. Make sense? I'm done with the template. So I'll click send. So you have sent your first envelope and we'll go back to home page. One is waiting for others. It means one document is sent, but it is not signed yet. This is the Gmail ID where I've sent the document. It comes something like this. So all these icons or the name templates, everything can be customized. So the user will click on the review document. And I don't want to give my address. I will click on continue. So the name is already there because I have entered the name, right? The date is already there because it is taking date from my current location or current timing. And then you can click on sign, and I will create my new name, Rudra, and something like that. And it has created a DocuSign initials by itself. So I will also replace that RP, something like that. So the signature is created. You can even draw it. Like you can click here, and I can draw like this. Certainly not good in drawing, but anyhow, I'm trying my best. And you can even upload it if you have something scanned version in your PC. Click on adopt and sign, and here you go. You can click on finish, and you are done. So this is the best use case where if you are hiring new guys, and if you are like contacting your client and you want your agreement to be safe, because many times your agreement can be in a denial mode, from the third party. So this portal makes sure that your agreements are like in digital format, signed format, and legally valid. So if you go back, you will also get the customer. This is the customer portal, right? The customer will also get a signed version. And even if I refresh this part, user who has sent or who has initiated the DocuSign template will also receive the signed version, and the status will be like done, something like that. So if I go back to home, you see one is completed, and the person can easily download from here. Perfect. So I believe that's it for the today's video, and we'll see you in another video where we'll learn how to integrate this DocuSign into your web portals. Thank you.